Hey, how's it going? Photoshop, Photoshop, Photoshop. We have heard about this software since childhood, since very long. It has been the industry favorite, the way to go software for everyone. But with the amazing features, we have to spend few dollars, few rupees or few euros or anything, but we have to pay the price for it. Now as a beginner, it's kind of becomes a burden, especially if you're not earning anything. Suppose if you're a student or you are just waiting to get your first job as a freelancer, or let it be just anything. So in that case, in that scenario, spending few dollars for Photoshop can be a really hectic thing for you. You may think twice before spending on it. So you may just use other softwares, the freebie stuffs and all, to get your work just done. But just done, not up to that level which you wanna do. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how a website that can really change everything, that can really rule the freebies market. So let's dive into the PC and let me show you what I'm talking about. So open your web browser and then just search Photopea. Just search on it and you get the www.photopea.com. You just click it and now see the result, now see the magic. I guess you know this interface, right? This interface looks almost the same as the interface of Photoshop. You get all the tools, the marquee tool, the lasso tool, the crop tool, the gradient and dodge and burn, everything just like it is in the Photoshop. It says here new project, open from computer, PSD templates. So it basically supports .psd files, .ai files, which is the Illustrator files, .pdf, .xcf, raw, everything that Photoshop supports. But the catch is, I've tested it out and I have seen, I don't know what's the issue, but I've seen this doesn't support the .cr3 format, which is the raw format for the newer Canon DSLRs, and I don't know what's the issue with that. I've not tested it with other raw formats like the Sony raw formats and the Nikon raw formats. I don't know about that, so I will leave it to you to test it out, see yourself. But it's a thing that you have to manage. So maybe if you are just shooting in JPEG, then you can use this for your editing and for manipulating. But for now, I don't know, .cr3 is not supported. Another thing that is the camera raw filter is not present here. Now as you know, the camera raw filter is kind of like a plugin that comes with the Adobe softwares. So you get it with After Effects. You can use the camera raw plugin with After Effects. You can obviously use it with Photoshop, but that doesn't come here because it's a separate plugin. But apart from these two things that I told you, it basically does everything. Let's just show you quickly. I will take a small example by opening a PSD template and you will see the magic that it comes with. So I will drag this new poster.psd. I will just drag and drop, and boom, it just automatically loads every font that has been used in the PSD template. And you don't have to install any fonts and all. It just basically just search the internet and does it everything online for you, so you don't have to worry about it. So let's just quickly test if the things like hue, saturation, curves, this works or not. So maybe I will just create the adjustment layer and maybe I'll just go to curves. Let's see how it works. Yes, it's working absolutely fine. The presentation is somewhat a little bit different from what you get in Photoshop, but what's the issue? You get the same features. So isn't that amazing? Absolutely for free. You don't have to pay a single bit of money uh, to get all these things done. So that's amazing. So I hope you liked this amazing knowledge of this website. You can use this if you don't want to pay for Photoshop, if you're just using Photoshop for maybe once in a while and you don't want to pay such big money, or maybe small money for you. That's up to you. But the thing is, if you don't want to pay the money, you can use this website absolutely for free. The only thing that you have to keep in mind, it doesn't come with the camera raw filter. I don't know what will be the future of this. Will the camera raw filter somehow will come with this? I don't have any idea about it, but for now it doesn't have this. And I don't know, the .cr3 format, the raw extension is somewhat not supported by this. I don't really know what's the matter, though it says the raw format is supported, but it still doesn't support the .cr3 extension. So if you are okay with all these two things, then you can surely use this website for your work. Alright, so I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, you already know what to do. So that's it for today's video. See ya.